Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about subdomain takeover concept. A subdomain takeover occurs when an attacker gains control over a subdomain of a target domain. So let's say there is a domain. Let's say there is a domain cyberseclive.com, right? And we have a subdomain. Let's say support.cyberseclive.com, right? So this is the subdomain of cyberseclive.com. Now what an attacker can do, attacker just take over that support.cyberseclive.com, and he can make the duplicate page of that support.cyberseclive.com, and can send you can send the user of cybersec live. Through that, what is going to happen, they can steal the credential, they can even uh, spread the malware as well in your PC if you are opening from your browser, definitely. So these are the things these are the impact can be happened with the due to subdomain takeover. So before giving you the all the concept, let me show you that what is canonical domain, because it is very important to understand. All the things are based on this. Because you have to find the CNAME, and what is CNAME, that is we are going to discuss after this one. So let's discuss about canonical domain. The canonical domain is the version of the domain, or any version of the domain which has been set as the preferred version of for indexing. This helps to combat the issue of duplicate. So as I was talking about the duplicacy, that attacker can make the duplicate of that page, right? So this is for that, and inform search engine of the domain you would like to be indexed. So that is what canonical domain. And let me show you about something CNAME. You have heard many times about CNAME. So what is CNAME? It's nothing but a canonical name. It is a record, or you can say it's a type of DNS record that maps an alias name to a true or canonical domain name. CNAME records are typically used to map a subdomain such as let's say www or mail to the domain hosting that subdomain's content. Let me make you understand with the help of some example, because uh, just reading these theories is not going to work. So you can see here I have two domains, right? The first one is app.neworg.com, and here is the new project.herokuapp.com, right? So what is happening? User visits app.neworg.com in his browser, which has a CNAME pointing to this one. So are you understanding? See, the first domain, this domain have there is no services running on their server, right? They have taken they have taken, or you can say they have registered for this service particularly for this subdomain only on new project herokuapp.com, right? So now the CNAME or the CNAME is this one. So whenever user visits, whenever user will click on that, it will directly redirect to this page, and whatever the content made by this owner, it will show you. So user actually browses content from the web app at new project herokuapp.com. So I hope I make you understand, but if not, then definitely as far as we will go in this video, you will get to understand that what is CNAME, what is canonical domain. Although there is not that much knowledge of requirement for CNAME and canonical domain, but as a concept, I'm just telling you, so that in case in your future maybe someone ask in interview question that what is CNAME or canonical domain, so that you can able to answer those questions. So let me show you that how it is working. So let's say you are a user, you have start and there is some domain names and the source and canonical. The source, what is the source? The source here is the actual domain having some subdomain, and the canonical is the where we are representing, or you can say where we are redirecting. So what will happen? Extract base domain from canonical domain name. Now the what was the base domain? That was a subdomain which we were talking, right? Okay, let me take an example that will be much better. So let's say we have a hacker.com domain, correct? And we have another domain zendesk.com. Now what I'm going to do, I have a support.hacker.com, a subdomain, which is the source. And for that service, I'm going to run or on zendesk.com. So now the zendesk.com is now the canonical, and the subdomain is the base domain, you can say. So now base domain available for registration, we have to check for that whether that base domain available for registration or not. Why I'm saying this? Because it might see whatever the subdomain is is going to buy. Definitely there is some time, there is some period. Maybe that owner forgot to renew that you can say subscription or registration. So it might happen. In that case, you are a hacker, you can check those things, whether that subdomain license has been expired or the services has been stopped or not. So once you get to know about those things, then after you can say you have to check that. And once you will find that yes, it is takeover is possible, then you are good to go and try subdomain takeover vulnerability there. But if the base domain available for registration is not possible, then definitely takeover is not possible. It means the website is already renewed and it is secure. It has been already security. So that's how we work. And definitely in the next video, we will show you some lab. We will show you more concept with some examples so that you can understand. So that's it in this video. We'll meet in the next video, guys.